Welcome to the eslint in Vue.js 3 tutorial. Well, start with the eslint configuration file, which is typically named eslint-plugin-vue. Here, we define the environment, which sets global variables predefined by the environment, in this case Node.js. We also extend from two base configurations, plugin, Vue, Vue 3 essential for Vue 3 specific rules, and eslint, recommended for a set of core rules provided by eslint. We're using babel-eslint as our parser to ensure our code is properly interpreted. Custom rules are specified under the rules key. For example, no console and no debugger are set to warn in production but are turned off in the development environment. Now let's move on to setting up eslint in your Vue project. First, we will install eslint in our project by running npm install eslint, save dev. This installs eslint as a development dependency, which means it will not be included in the production build but is available in your development environment. Next, we install the official eslint plugin for Vue by running npm install eslint-plugin-vue, save dev. This plugin adds linting rules that are specific to Vue, allowing you to enforce best practices and identify potential errors in your Vue templates. Once eslint and the Vue plugin are installed, run npx eslint init to initialize eslint. This command starts a configuration wizard, which helps to customize eslint settings according to the specifics of your project. It creates an eslint configuration file, where you can fine-tune your linting rules and settings as we've shown earlier. To lint the source code, we run npx eslint src. This checks all files in the src directory against the rules specified in your eslint configuration. eslint will report any issues it finds, which you can then review and correct manually. However, manually fixing each issue could be tedious. That's where the fix flag comes handy. Execute npx eslint fix src to let eslint automatically fix many of the simpler linting problems, like formatting and style issues, saving you time and effort on maintaining coding standards. To streamline the linting process, we can add a script to the package.json file of your project, giving it a label like lint. The command eslint xjs vue src tells eslint to check both JavaScript and Vue files in the src directory. Now, running npm run lint will lint your project's code according to the specifications in your eslint configuration. Integrating eslint into your development workflow helps catch errors early and ensures consistent code quality across your Vue.js project.